Welcome, my name is Benicio. I'm going to show you how to use my dicer maker. I'm going to be using the small blade, which is the one that I think you will use the most. But the same thing applies to the large dicing. So this little tab has to go in the back and always lock the blade in place. It's very important. Now, with onions, it's very important that you know this. Whenever you want to dice onions, you got to cut the onion in 4 pieces. Don't place the whole onion, because it is just not gonna work. Also, you've probably seen some videos where they show you the onion cut in half. That is not the right way either. So the right way is to cut the onion in 4 pieces. So after you cut the onion in 4 pieces, you're gonna have to place this angle right here, this end facing down, and to stop it from moving to the sides, just give it a little push, and it's gonna lock the onion in the blade. Hold the machine, hold the lid, and press down. Let's do it again. Angle facing down, press it a little bit. You want to make sure you cut all the way across the onion. Hold the machine, hold the lid, and push down. This dicer works by pushing from the top all the way to the bottom. You do not need to put the lid on top and then start hitting it hard. That's not the way it works. Just hold the machine, hold the lid, and press it down. If you can see, it doesn't really require a lot of pressure. You don't have to push really hard. It's just a matter of going from top to bottom, and that's how easy you can dice onions. Now let's move to jalapeno pepper. Jalapeno pepper, or a bell pepper, because it's hollow on the inside. This is what you need to do. You gotta cut it in halves. I got some jalapenos ready right here. So once you cut the jalapenos or the bell peppers in such a way that they fit on the blade, you want to put the seeds facing down and the skin facing up. So you place the seeds facing down and push it. Seeds facing down and go from top to bottom. Remember, you don't have to be smacking the machine or hitting hard. Just hold the lid and go from top to bottom, and that's how you can dice any kind of peppers. Now let's move to tomatoes. You might end up dicing a lot of tomatoes, and this is a really good machine to dice tomatoes. Now in some videos, probably you've seen some other brands, they tell you to cut the tomato in half. That's not the right way or the best way. The best way to dice tomatoes is to slice them. I got some sliced tomatoes right here so you can see. And you want to place the sliced tomato, and that is going to be the case for most fruits and vegetables. Whatever you place in here that is sliced is going to come out perfectly diced. So remember, just slice the tomato, place it, and you can do 2 at a time. Place it on the blade and then just push it down. If you get a ripe tomato, it's going to get more juicy or watery, but if you use firm tomatoes, it's going to dice them perfectly. Like, this is great to make salsa or shrimp cocktail. For guacamole, this is what they use, and there are different salsa that you can prepare using onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Now, if you want to do cucumbers, look at this. You got sliced cucumbers. Just place the sliced cucumber, and you're gonna get the same kind of cut, perfectly diced. Got some radishes right here. So for those who like making pozole, you want to dice radishes. It's just a matter of slicing. You slice the radish, you place on the blade and push it down, and that's how easy you can dice any fruit and vegetable. Thank you for watching.